Quick introduction to Claritics. We are a social intelligence company that works with companies that are doing commerce on Facebook and other social platforms to reach their to satisfy their reach, retention, and revenue campaigns. I appreciate you taking the time this afternoon to be here. Quick introduction, and I think most of you, whether you're an individual or a small business or a large enterprise, have not missed this trend that's happening out there. It's called Facebook, it's called Twitter, it's called YouTube. There are various facets of the social phenomena that we are living in. Now, a couple of things about what changes in this market. It is a market storm, and when you're living in this market storm, the way you sell to your customers, the way you engage with your customers, the way you deliver customer service to your customers is all fundamentally changing. And what we have noticed is you're now dealing with millions of fans, followers. The way you interact with them, the offers that you have for them are changing very rapidly and almost changing in real time. So the previous generations of technologies that were used for solving and interacting and communicating with customers don't satisfy your needs today. So if you look at the email generation, you had companies that were in the BI or business intelligence space. Then came along the web and search, and there were companies that were in the web intelligence space. We are in the social intelligence space, and why is this important? It's because not just that you have a number of fans, followers on the IT side, on the back room, you have a lot more data that you have to process, and you have to process through a lot of data in real time to understand the trends. We've been very fortunate at Claritics. We serve some of the companies that are putting out these social games, companies in the media space, companies that are doing net native social commerce online today. These are some of our customers, and here's a sampling of some of our customers that we work with. All of them have one intent. They want to reach out to their users, their gamers really quickly, understand what drives viral adoption of those games applications. They're also very keenly interested in understanding what engages a gamer. If you're a social game, you're very interested in knowing what is the genre that you're attracting to play the game. Once you know that, you want to monetize that relationship, and monetization could be advertisements, it could be virtual goods, it could be real goods that you're selling through commerce. So there are a number of facets that we deliver. What Claritics specifically lands up doing for our companies is we provide a prepackaged set of applications, analytic applications, all hosted, provided as a turnkey solution in the cloud, that the marketeers, the product developers, or the game developers use as applications. It's turnkey, gives them quick returns on their campaigns that they're running. I'm sure each one of you have heard of analytics and big data and all these trends, and we often are asked about this, why we're unique. Analytics is in every facet of what we do today. Why we are unique is, you'll see a lot of companies talk about insights, looking at pretty charts, pie charts, line graphs. That's been around for 10 years. I've worked in the big data industry for the last 10 years. My partner has been around in the big data integration space for a long time. What Claritics does is fundamentally change the game of analytics, and we do this by not just offering you the insights, but also letting you act on the insights almost in real time. To give you an example, so one of our gaming companies uses our insights to change in-game offers almost on a 24, 48-hour basis based on the trends that they're seeing in the game. So that's one thing. And to give, if any of you are sports fans out here, if you know, in business intelligence analytics in the yesteryears was always a back office operation. It was always about defense. Analytics now, with the social gaming companies, with some of the Facebook applications, some of the social commerce companies, is now coming to the front. It's being used more as an offense. You use it to run your business. So that's the trend we're seeing, and we're attacking that. A lot of it will drive towards not just actionability, but also automation that you can drive in some of these games. So that's us. We drive the insights, action, automation. We just launched the company this week. Thanks a lot to TiE50 for having us out here. If you want to test drive analytics, hop over to our website. If you are looking for interesting things to do, we are hiring. So I'll make a shameless plug and say, drop us a line, and we are recruiting also. Thank you very much.